welcome to my channel. I'm Anna. This is my van Vanna, and I invite you to join me on my journey to convert Vanna into a camper van. Come see what I'm working on today. Good morning. So I am back working on Vanna, and look what came in. Look, let me see. So samples came in a few days ago, maybe a week ago, and I picked one. So these are the PVC towels that I am going to put up on my shower wall. And this is what they look like. Get one out. Okay. So that's what it looks like. And this is one size. It's fairly light. It's way lighter than a ceramic or porcelain tile would be at this size. But this is what I got. So I made, I can't find my scribe, the bright orange, so I don't know how I lost it. So I made me something that I hope will work to get me the contour of my wall until the other scribe shows up. Maybe it'll work better, I don't know. But so let me get to work with this. Okay, so I put another plank, kind of secured that with something behind there. Put another plank up here. See the gap under here, but I'm thinking I could fill it up with a lot of something to fill that up. So anyway, so let me put up my first towel, because I cut it out. Okay, got the first row in. Working my way up. So I am putting a bead of clear silicone in between each towel, in addition to the adhesive in the back. Okay, the thing you have to do to get this to dry right, I need to cut this out, but I don't want to disturb all this stuff that I have. Okay, I don't want to disturb it. Look, I can disturb this stuff. If I put this back up, I need this up here so it can push it out. Push it out, so push it to the side, and so it can dry. I did put silicone all in the seam as I go. So I think that look neat. This one is not. This board is not in yet. I'm just setting it up here, getting it ready. One more to go. Whew. Was a long day. Okay, so I'm done for today. A storm is on the way. It's getting dark, but I got just literally 2 more panels to do. Should be fairly simple. The hard part was trying to get that in and this in up here. So they're in, and so tomorrow I will get this last 2 in, and hopefully Okay. So there's my shower with the towels up. I did caulk on the corners, and I caulked up the niche. Now this right here is temporary. Make sure it doesn't get stuck. This is temporary to leave space for my tempered glass that's going to take its place. And I'll put this down, but I don't know when it lowered. It wasn't that low when I first did it, but somehow it got low. I don't know, but that's what it is right now. I don't know, maybe I could stick something in there to block the gap. But this is what I have so far. There you go. I have the hose in here for my buff end for the shower faucet, so I'll work on that next. So hello, so I am back at working on my band. Did a little bit this morning, went to church and then back. So I finished the other two towels that I just showed, and now I want to put in some shower faucet. Now, you know, I am planning a recycling shower and I needed a third shower handle for that. So I searched high and low for another one of these valves. And I needed a valve that had that had a two entrance, an inlet and an outlet, and a body housing the valve, so that I can, kind of feed it in with the other rough-in. And I just ended up buying another. This is Faucet, by the way. I ended up buying another Faucet rough-in, pretty much, that separated the hot and cold and shower, and you can combine them together with pods. So I ended up buying a second one it cost me a few dollars, more than a few dollars, but it wasn't cheap, but it wasn't expensive either. But anyway, I bought this, and I'm using one of the valve for my recirculating shower. So let me see if I can make it work. Let's see. Okay, so I tested this out, and so we have two faucets for hot and cold. I put this on here because this came off. I'm assuming it's this one, but it represents the hot valve, and they say don't remove it. But anyway, so if I put this on here, I tested it with water. This one opened. This is hot, so it opened counterclockwise. You close it, it's shut. And this one open clockwise. Close it to the left. So I'm reading that counterclockwise is hot, clockwise is cold, but yet cold is supposed to be on the right side and hot is supposed to be on the left side. And my inlet is coming in from the bottom. So I don't know. I can turn it upside down, make it right, but then the inlet will be coming in that way. Maybe I don't know if it's designed to be that way or what. So how do you handle something like that? I mean, I know after all this is my van, but I guess one day I would sell it, and I would want it to be right from the jump. So this is the kind of thing I'm dealing with right now. If you know the answer, kind of let me know in the comment. Thanks. There it go, right there. other side and do it. Okay, so I'm gonna do my plumbing. So I have the cold water plumbed up coming from the cold water part of the the cold water manifold. Well, this is the manifold in the making anyway. The manifold is connected to the cold water coming in from my freshwater tank. This is a check valve. Another check valve, which is going to be for my city water. It's going to come in and connect to that. And all of these outlets are going to be cold water. So I only have two in here right now. One going up to the shower, and this is dedicated. This one down in here is dedicated for my spigot. That's going to go out the front door. My hot water is not plumbed up, so that is why I don't have a hot water coming in. This is upside down on purpose, because I understand that the cold water goes on the cold water. It's going to go on the right side, the hot water on the left side. And the cold water, I understand, is clockwise. And the hot water is counterclockwise. And this is my recirculating shower faucet. Back here, it is connected to this pipe right here. And the water is coming in from my tank, which is my holding tank. That's going to be my recirculating tank. And the cold water is, of course, I mentioned already, this is going to the freshwater tank. Hot water is going to be coming from the heating system, which is not done yet. And it's a mess, so I'm still not done because I need to put my hot water faucet on here. But gee, I dropped the screw, and the screw, see how I'm dropping things and I lose it. So I just kind of neatly put it up here for now. And I gotta get another screw. If I can't find it in this place, I'm sure it'll turn up when I do a real good cleaning, like getting up all this cardboard that's on the floor and a good vacuum. It'll probably show up, but I can't find it. So I'm going to take one screw out and take it to Lowe's and get another screw. I need to put a hole in for my shower, and then I will be done. The shower is going to come out of here, so I have I have it teed off because either the water is coming from my regular freshwater tank. So this right here is coming from the freshwater tank and the heating system. And it's going to come into a valve, which is either on for recirculating or off. So if it's off, it's normal. It'll pass through and going up to my shower. It'll pass through and going up to my shower and go up. If it's a recirculating switch is on, then that means that the water is coming from the recirculating. It's going to come, the valve is going to be switched to this side, and this will go up to the shower. Again, the recirculating holding pump is being fed by this right here also. So this right here is teed off to go down to my floating valve. This is the floating valve, so it'll stop filling up my holding tank when this floating valve fills up. So this is coming from the hot and cold water when the valve is pointing that way. I know this is probably a complicated system, but it makes sense. And I got this plugged up. This would normally go to a tub if it turned upside down. Either one will go to the tub or one will go to the shower. and I just got it this way. I'm pretty sure this is, I'm pretty certain that this can't be right. It's upside down on purpose, but counterclockwise opened it up, and that means hot water to me. So anyway, I'm gonna keep it that way. If it's wrong, it's probably not a big deal to turn it around. Just turn it around. It might be a big deal, but I don't know. It shouldn't be. It's just a matter of turning this around, switching this, and replugging it back in. But anyway, let me not rant. This is where I'm at right now. Okay, I had to go and buy what is called a drop ear piece for my shower head. Push to connect, since that's what I'm using. Push to connect, and it's screwed into this so that it's pretty sturdy there. So. Running water. The only leak is coming out of my hot, but the check valve is not working. The running water. As if I am not having enough fun. There's a leak. And you can see the leak. The water is coming from, it's going up under my vinyl board and coming out. So it's coming from underneath. Here we go. Hi, so if you made it to the end of my video, I invite you to hit like and ring the bell if you want to be notified for when I put my next video up. So thank you for watching. Bye.